Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to search for a person's account on Facebook by his phone number. It is a very simple method. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. It goes to your Facebook account. Then click on the profile icon, then go down, click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings, then click here on Account Center, then click here on Your Information and Blogs. Then click here on Download the Communication Device, then choose your Facebook account. After that, you activate this feature. What does this mean? This means that Facebook will search for the Facebook accounts of people who are registered with you in your contacts. Therefore, the number you want to search for its Facebook account, you have to register it in your contacts or in your list of numbers on the phone. There, as you can see, you will find all the numbers in your contacts, their Facebook accounts, and you will also find other accounts other than your contact accounts. It is okay. Search for the person you want. This was the topic today's video. I hope you liked it tomorrow, and that you benefited. For any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in the next video, God willing.